DFA for at least two zeros. So we start with initial state Q naught, Q naught to Q1 0, Q1 to Q2 0, and we make Q2 as a final state because we need at least two zeros, and alphabet is 0 1 here, so we can make a loop of 1 on Q naught. We can make a 1, we can loop a 1 on Q1, and we can make a loop of 0 1 on Q2 because we need at least two zero. So two zeros are here, and more than two zeros can be possible, and 1 can be any number of time. So this will be the DFA. In the same way, at least three zeros and two ones. So how we can make it? We start with initial state Q naught, Q naught to Q1 1 0, Q1 to Q2 2 0, Q2 to Q3 3 zeros, Q3 to Q4 1, Q4 to Q5 1. So three zeros and two ones are there. Then we here 0 is there, so we will make a loop of 1. Here 0 is there, so we will make a loop of 1. There is a 0 transition from Q2, so we will make a loop of 1. There is a from Q3 the transition from 1, so we will make a loop of 0. Here from Q4 there is a transition for 1, so we will make a loop of 0, and we make Q5 as a final state, and on Q5 we will make a loop of 0 1 because at least three zeros should be there and two ones should be there. So three zeros and two ones are there, and rest, as we all know that in DFA we will make sure that all the transition will go from one state because alphabet is 0 1, so one transition is 0, one transition for 1, and that transition should not dissatisfy the condition. So this transition is not these transitions are not dissatisfying the condition because three zeros are there and two ones are there, so we will make a loop of rest things. So in the same way, the DFA for 0 plus 1 0 star plus 0 1 star 0. How we will make it? Start with initial state Q naught, make a transition Q naught to Q1 as 0, and we will make Q1 as a final state. One transition for 1 0 star, so we will make a transition Q2 for 1, and we will make Q2 as a final state, and we will make a loop of zeros. That's why it is 1 0 star. This is 0, and 0 1 star 0 0 is there. We will make a loop of 1 on Q naught, and we will make a transition from Q1 to Q3 as 0, and we will make Q3 as a final state. So 0 1 0 star 0 1 star 0. This is the DFA. Next we will make a DFA 0 plus 1 whole star 0 1 plus 1 0. How we will make it? Start with initial state Q naught to Q1 0, Q1 to Q2 1. So we will make Q2 as a final state, Q3 as 1, and Q4 as 0. So we will make Q4 as final state 0 1 1 0. Now we will see the rest transition. So because 0 1 is there from Q naught, from Q1 1 is there, we can make a loop of 0, and from Q3 transition from 0 is here, we can make a loop of 1 here, and from Q2 we can go for 1 here, and we can go for 0 here, and for Q4 for 0 we will go here, and for 1 we will go here. But we cannot put a loop of 0 here, because if we put a loop of 0 here, then 1 0 0 0 same string will come. That's why. And in the same way we cannot put a loop here also. So this is the DFA. So if we put a loop here, then what will can come? 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 and so on. So this is not required, because AND should be always in either 0 1 or 1 0. That's why we cannot put loop on these two states. So this is the DFA. And how we can make a NFA for this? Start with initial state Q0 from Q1 Q2 0 1 Q3 1 0, and we can make it as a final state, and we can put a loop of 0 1 here, because it's 0 1 whole star 0 1 plus 1 0. So 0 1 whole star 0 comma 1 loop, and 0 1 1 1 0. That's why Q2 is a final state. This is the NFA for this, and this is the DFA for this.